Hello friends, I am Jerome Vincent. Please subscribe this channel and click bell button also. Question is, if sin raised to 4x by 2 plus cos raised to 4x by 3 is equal to 1 by 5, then tan square x equal to 2 by 3 is the A option. Sin raised to tan square x equal to 1 by 3 is the C option. Sin raised to 8x plus 8x by 8 plus cos raised to 8 by 8x by 27 is equal to 1 by 125 B option, and which one equal to 2 by 125 is the D option. Okay, try to answer this. I pause the video now and try to answer this. Okay, we are going for the answer. What is given is sin raised to 4x by 2 plus cos raised to 4x by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, replace 1 by sin square x plus cos square x, then we will get 1 is 1 sin square x plus cos square x whole square by 5. This one, the numerator is 1, that's why. Then we will get what? 15 sin square x plus 10, not sin square, sin raised to 4x, 10 cos raised to 4x is equal to 6 sin raised to 4x plus 12 sin square x cos square x plus 6 cos raised to 4x. Then what we are getting is 9 sin raised to 4x minus 12 sin square x cos square x plus 4 cos raised to 4x equal to 0. Then which one is 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x whole square is equal to 0. That means this term is 0. Then we will get sin square x by 2 is equal to cos square x by 3 is equal to, according to theorem of proportionalities, we will get added on numerators, we will get sin square x plus cos square x, added the numerator we will get 2 plus 5, and which is equal to not 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, which is equal to 1 by 5. Then we got sin square x, if we multiply both sides by 2, we will get 2 by 5. Cos square x multiply by 3, we will get 3 by 5. Then tan square x is sin square x by cos square x, 2 by 3. Okay, the answer is option A. And what is the we are going for? Okay, another part is sin raised to 8x by 8 plus cos raised to 8x by 27, which one equal to 1 by 8 into sin square x is 2 by 5 whole raised to 4 plus 1 by 27 into 3 by 5 whole raised to 4. That means sin raised to 8x is sin square x whole raised to 4. We will get 2 by 625 plus 3 by 625, 5 by 625, 1 by 125. Answer key is B. For all the question answers are A and B. Thank you friends.